This is the Funtech Shark RC boat. Angie got it for me for Christmas. It's 18 by 4 by 5 inches and it goes up to 999 feet. I haven't tested that and I don't think I'll be testing that. The max speed is 25 miles per hour. It has capsize recovery, so if it happens to capsize, it would come back up perfectly. You can see that I'm going over these waves and it's not capsizing. It also has the reverse function. It's a waterproof design with a water cooling system. So there's a plastic tube at the bottom of the boat and water goes up into that tube and it passes around the motor and it comes out through the side of the boat. So it would prevent it from overheating. And it can be used in pools, lakes and rivers. So this is me here testing it in the ocean. But after I tested it in the ocean, I let fresh water into the metal pieces and I brought it back home and I ran it in the swimming pool to make sure salt water got to pass through the cooling tubes. So I hope you enjoy this video and thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.